Today we are going to see how to install Mongo DB in Mac Apple chip machine and how we are going to enable Mongo DB server in Mac, as well as how to connect this Mongo DB server via Mongo client and how to query to connect to the collections and how to query all those items today we are going to see. For that, first we need to set up Mongo DB server on Mac. To do that, go to your favorite browser and type Mongo DB, and once you see this Mongo DB, you will have the sponsored link Mongo DB Atlas database. You don't go there, you just go the second link mongodb.com developer data platform. Select this link. Once you selected, it will go to the home page where you can see list of products, resources. You go to the products, you see the products, select. Once you selected products, you see in the tools section there is a self-managed, and here you can see community edition. So today we are going to see community edition. Click the community edition, and so once you selected community edition, there will be a button to download community. Just click that. Once you click that, you will be seeing the option here as how to connect, how to download Mongo DB server. We have the current release, which is the latest one, 7.0.8 at the time of recording this video, and we have the release candidate, so I am selecting the stable version, and you can choose the macOS. If in case if you are using Intel chip, you can use this one, x64. I am using Apple chip, that's why I selected AR64. Then the package, you will have only one option, TGZ. It's fine. Once we download, it will unzip it, then we can see how we can connect. Okay, to download, just click download, then it will open up a new tab and it will download automatically. As you can see here, it's downloaded. Now go to the downloads folder. You can see MongoDB macOS ARM 64 7.0.8 downloaded. Now what you need to do is you just double click, then this TGZ file will convert into the TAR file, and that will the macOS will unzip for you. Okay, open that folder and go to bin. You can see the MongoD, also list of supported files here. To connect run the Mongo server, what you have to do is first you need to open your terminal window. Okay, open terminal window. To open the terminal window, you just type Mongo D. You can see the zshrc command not found, Mongo D. So this is mostly happening because we haven't set up anything and we haven't run. We just downloaded the macOS, the Mongo DB, and we just put it in our download folder. So what you need to do is go back to the terminal, and we need to set up the path first to see to make this zshrc command to work. For that, we need to find out whether we have the zshrc file. So to do that, I am listing all the directory ls-al. Okay, I will see do I have any zshrc file, and I don't see any file, so I can create one. You type touch. Okay, let me clear. You type touch dot zshrc. Okay, now file created. Then we open the file. You can open using any editor, but currently I am just using the default one, zshrc. Okay, the file got opened. Here we need to define the path of the Mongo DB, the downloaded folder that we have downloaded. To do that, okay, export, make it small e, export path in caps equal $, then curly braces path colon, then you need to paste the path. To take the path, you go to downloads folder again, and as you can see, you need to take the bin path because MongoD is the command that we are running now. So you need to take the full path of this. So either you want copy. Okay, so to copy you go to file, view, then there is a show path bar. Select this, then it will show the path here. In the bin you right click and copy bin as path name. So select this option. Now go back to the terminal window, go back to the editor, the file zshrc file, just paste it. Okay, so this demo folder I have kept it in downloads. You can kept it in user demo also, or wherever you need you can keep the unzip the folder. And what you have to do is you need to come here, you need to mention the path where you unzipped, and till the bin folder we need to set the path here. Only then this command will work. Okay, I just saved it. Okay, I close it. I can click file, save, then I will close it. Okay, now the zshrc file I have set my path of the Mongo DB, Mongo server set of files. Now what I need to do is this terminal window, the session that opened may not recognize immediately this zshrc file changes. Either I need to close the terminal and reopen, or I can type source.zshrc to reload this terminal to use this file. Now type mongod. Okay, now it's asking mongod can't be opened because Apple cannot check it for malicious software. The software needs to be updated. Contact the developer for more information. So you click OK. What you need to do is easy to open and kill mongod. You go to Apple sync icon, go to system settings, then scroll down, go to privacy and security, all the way scroll down. Then you can see this app here. See, MongoDB was blocked from use because it's not from identified developer. Here you just need to click allow anyway. It will ask for the password. Just enter your password. Okay, then once this is done, you close the settings, then go back to your terminal. You type the same command mongod. You see, now there is another open, mongod opened malicious software. You just click open. Okay, you see it opened, but along the way it got stopped. So what you need to do is this one is, you see, enter terminal shutdown. This is happening because we haven't set up the data DB path. You see, not exist path, data directory, data DB not found. Create missing directory or specify the path, another path using dbpath command. Okay, now to fix this issue, what I am going to do is I am cd to downloads folder. Okay, now here I am going to create the path. So I am creating a new directory -p data/db. Okay, now I will list down the files. Okay, I have a data, then I will cd data. Okay, ls. Okay, I have the db file. Okay, now I will go back. Now to know the current path, I can just use pwd. Now it's in cd demo. So what I am going to do is I have created a folder, but I haven't set the db path. To do that, I have to use the mongod command -db path equal to the path of the data db directory. To get the path, again go back, go to downloads folder, and you can see the data and db that we created. Copy this, right click here and copy db as path name, then go back to the terminal, then just paste it. Okay, now click enter. So once you click enter, it started running already. So the Mongo DB is running now. And in case if you see any error saying it's not able to open or immediately open, it will close or killed, there might be a reason. You need the permission to do that. In order to do that, you can use sudo command. The same command mongod sudo sudo space mongod hyphen dbpath. This command you need to do the same wherever the path, the data directory you created. It's not necessarily you need to keep it in the net download folder, you can keep it anywhere, it will work. You just need to make sure the path whatever you give db set db path, so the same folder, the MongoDB collections, everything will be stored there. In case any issues or you ran into any other issues with mostly the permission issues might come up, so you need to use sudo command to do that. Also when you are making directory, in case if you are not using download folder, let's say you are using home directory or some other directory, it might be protected, then you need to use the sudo command. When you use the sudo command, there will be a password will be asked, you need to enter the password of the system account, the logged in user account, then you can able to create and set the path. Okay, now since I have the download folder, it didn't ask any permission and it started running. Now my MongoDB server is running successfully. Now I want to connect this MongoDB server in using Mongo client. To do that, I go back to the browser again. I will go to the MongoDB. Okay, I will go from the start. I'll just to go to Google, type MongoDB, and don't open the sponsored link. You scroll down, open this developer data platform. Then you see the products. Go to the community edition again and download community. Once you go there, in the right side you see earlier we have when we download the MongoDB server, we came into the same place, but this time no need to download the server because our server is already started and running. You go to tools, in the left hand side you see tools, click the tools, and in the tools you have MongoDB shell, MongoDB Compas GUI, and at last CLI. So the one we are looking, MongoDB Compas, okay, GUI. I will talk about the MongoDB shell later. First I will download this MongoDB Compas, download GUI, select that, and you come down. There you can see the stable version. Always better to download the latest stable version. And macOS, you need to select which macOS. I am having in macOS Apple chip, so I am selecting this. In case if you have macOS Intel chip, you can select the first option. Sorry, ARM61. If you have M1, M2, M3, any version, you can select this option, it will work. And the package, you can see the DMG selected by default. Just click download. It's downloading. As you can see, it has around 140 MB, so it will be quick. So already downloaded. Now go to the downloads folder again. I will go to the downloads folder. As you can see, the DMG file got created, downloaded. Now what you need to do is you need to just double click. Once you double click, it will open up a window, extract, and they just drag the MongoDB and paste it into the applications. So drag and drop and go to place it in applications. Once you have done, you can go to applications, minimize this window, you check for MongoDB MongoDB Compas. Okay, just double click. Once you double click, it will ask for MongoDB is an app download. Are you sure want to open it? Yeah, you can click open. Once you click open, then it will open up a GUI for the MongoDB client to connect to the servers. And once you can see, you have this MongoDB, and by the default default localhost server with the port 27017. Okay, this is the port by default the MongoDB server will be running. And when we have the terminal, we haven't changed any path or anything. So here you should be able to see the port number. So where we can see, you can just go up and search for where is the path. Server port will be there somewhere here. Okay, if you want to really to see the path, you can just copy 27017. So here you can just find 27017. Okay, see, the port is here. So this is the port the Mongo server is running in our local. Okay, so now you go back to the Mongo client, and you no need to do any change settings or something. This is the Mongo DB command, and with the post connection string you can just click connect. Okay, once you click connect, you see it's already connected. Now the default databases is showing up here, admin, and we don't have anything config. Then we have local, it has the startup log. Once you click, the format is showing here, so you can type a query and use our general query, you can use it. Okay, if you want to create a database, you can just click database, demo collection, click create database, then it will create a database for you with the collection. In case if you want to add data, it is super simple. You can just select insert document. By default ID will be there. In case if you want another attribute name, then you can keep it as demo, click insert. Okay, ID got inserted. So to name we can create another data. Actually I made a mistake, so the ID will be the default. So in case if you want to name, you can create something like this, then the name will be demo. Okay, just click insert. You see the name got created. ID will be auto generating. In case if you want, you can change also the name. So this is how we have to change the collection. And in this GUI, you can see in the bottom there is a Mongo Ghosh. Okay, Mongo SH. This Mongo SH is the terminal window. So whatever we have here, we can do it here as well. For example, you want to show the databases, show DBs. It's already intelligence enabled. I see it's coming now. Just click enter. You can see the DB admin, config, demo, and local. So in case if you want to query that, we need to use command to select the database. So demo. Okay, I'll just tab and switch to DB demo. Now since it is switched to DB demo, I want to see the collections. So collections. Now click tab and you can see the demo collection is showing up. Okay, this is the shell command which we'll be using, and this shell command is already available here. This is what I was talking about earlier here, this Mongo DB shell. It's already available in this Mongo GUI. So in case if you want to use the command, you can do it here, or if you are more comfortable to do the connection here, you can do it. And in case if you want to connect this Mongo DB from your API or any other the services, you can use the local host with a port with a Mongo DB, or through Node.js you should be able to connect, and you can able to create a collection and update collection. All the actions you should be able. In case you would like to know how to connect from Node.js or .NET Core API or anything, in case if you want me to make a video, just put me in the comment section. I will prepare another video to do more the same. That's all for today. Thank you. You can subscribe and click bell icon to get latest videos in the notification. Thank you.